You know, one of the realest things I ever feel as someone that all about elevating people, all about uplifting people, all about working as a team, all about, people going after dreams and accomplishing goals. I always feel as if that every time I want to do this with people, I always feel like the people that I'm building with, they don't want to build with me or do it with me, or they try to do it without me. And it's kind of crazy because you would think that people that want to elevate together for each other, or they will, they'll care to add on versus just want to take from. And this is a society that we live in. We live in a society that no one want to work together. Everybody want to work against each other. We live in a society that nobody knows how to work as a team. We live in a society that nobody thinks about the next person. We live in a society that no people add to people. They come to take from people. We live in a very selfish society where everybody only thinks about themselves and they never think about the betterment of each other. How, as a society, can we do better when we can't even be for each other? How can we get better when we don't even know what to do to get together? This is the problem with society. And the thing about that, I always say is the only way we're going to get better and the way that we're going to stop being bitter is by knowing God. You got to get closer to God. You should really seek God, because this society, this world, this amazing opportunity called life that God gave us is for us to work together. It's for us to be a servant unto each other. It's for us to figure out ways how we could build together and do things together and achieve great things together and go on to the next life together. Life is not about what you can take. Life is about what can you give. Life is about contribution. Life is not about subtraction. It's about multiplication and addition. What do you bring to society? What do you bring to mankind? What can you do to elevate the human society and as a race together? This is not a black thing, a white thing, a Latin thing, a Muslim thing, or Arab thing. No, this is a human thing. And when we as human beings realize that this is bigger than me and you, life is about serving us and I. This is why we as a society will always be stuck, because we are like the crabs in a bucket. All we want to do is keep pulling each other down, and nobody want to lift nobody up and elevate. So that's why we must learn how to eliminate, to elevate. And that's how we're going to start separating the work, the people that want to collab, and definitely remove yourself from the people that just want to take. Some people just want to take. They don't want to add nothing, or they don't have nothing to add. And that's why we as people must identify these people very quickly and separate yourself. And if they can't add to you, they're taking from you. And that's what they do in this world as well. So you got to be very mindful of this, guys. That's the only way we're going to get better. So keep your eyes wide open and let's elevate together. Let's do something great together for each other. We are a team. We're working on the same team. It's called the human race. We are one. And until we start realizing that, we ain't going to get nowhere in life. I'm telling you. See you at the top.